Hello 2T1. Now for today's lesson, we'll be doing worksheet 11.2, computing the funds raised. So this follows on to the earlier exercise, worksheet 11.1, whereby you did the data analysis. Right? You need to understand this before you can do worksheet 11.2. So now we're going to use a spreadsheet table to do the computations. Now open up the file fundraising template. So it should look like this shown below. Right, this is the file in which I've opened it already. So you can see that there are 4 categories A to D. Alright, different runners, Sec 1 to Sec 5, and there are also staff runners. Okay, next. Now you need to insert a formula in B10 to calculate the total number of runners in category A. And it says that total runners equals the sum of Sec 1 to Sec 5 students and the staff in category A. So this should be easy. It's equals to sum, alright, adding up the total runners. Next, insert a formula in B11 to calculate the funds raised by the runners in category A. Alright, the funds raised by runners in Cat A equals to total number of runners in Cat A multiplied by the donation per runner for category A. So this will be equals to the total number of runners multiplied by the donation per runner in Cat A. Next, insert a formula in F3 to calculate the funds raised by Sec 1 students in category A. So the funds raised by Sec 1 students in Cat A equals to the number of Sec 1 students in category A multiplied by the donation per runner for category A. So this is where we need to use absolute self-referencing. So this equals to the number of Sec 1 runners in Cat A multiplied by, alright, the donation per runner. And for this donation per runner, this is where we want to use absolute self-referencing. So let me zoom in. So in other words, for J18, alright, we want to change this to $J, $18. Alright, this to ensure that the cell is locked when we do the copy and paste. So what it means is the cell $J, $18, it will not move. Alright, this cell will stay fixed when we do copy and paste. Next, the question asks you to copy and paste the formula in B10, alright, to cell C10, E10 to calculate the total number of runners in each category. So this should be easy. Alright, copy this formula to C10 to E10. So you can see that this is just adding up the total number of runners in Cat B. Next. Okay. Alright, press the escape key when that happens. Next, we need to copy and paste the formula in B11 into C11, E11 to calculate the funds raised by runners in each category. So over here, alright, we need to calculate the total funds raised by the runners in Cat B. So this is equals to 200 multiplied by the funds raised in category B, which is this, $30. Alright, next, this will be equals to total number in category C multiplied by the donation per runner in category C. And lastly, this will be equals to 166 multiplied by the donation per runner in category D. Right, we have done this. Next, copy the formula in F3 into F4. Alright, F4, F8 to calculate the funds raised by runners in Cat A. Alright, so earlier on we did the absolute self-referencing. So now we just need to copy this, alright, and paste it here. So you notice that when I do this, alright, this is equals to 24 Sec 2 runners multiplied by $50, because this cell is now locked. We have used absolute self-referencing. Right. Likewise, for the other cells, this goes to number of Sec 3 Cat A runners multiplied by $J, $18. Alright, the cell is also locked. Okay, next, copy and paste the formula in F3, alright, into G3, I3, and edit the formula so that the fund raised by 7 students in Cat B's to D can be calculated. So you should understand this, right? So what it means is, over here, we just need to copy across. Okay, this one should be the funds raised in category D, right? Some of the words are missing. So once, okay, you see this, alright, this, as you know, pertains to Cat B, but now it's not $J, $18, it's $J, $19. Alright, $J, $19 is over here, as you can see, is the $30. Alright, next, $J, $20 is 15, $J, $21 is 5. So in other words, alright, Cat C, this will be, Cat B is $J, $19, Cat C will be $J, $20, and Cat D will be $J, $21. So once we have done this, we can just copy and paste this down. Alright, and you know that this should be the number of runners in Cat B multiplied by the $30. Alright, because that cell has been locked. Likewise here, we have done it correctly. You can just copy and fill it down. This is the number of runners in category C for the 7 students multiplied by $J, $20. Alright, and of course the last one, this is, alright, number of 7 students in Cat D multiplied by $J, $21, which is the $5. So once you have done that, we can just, alright, fill it down. Next, we have done those correctly ready. Copy and paste these formulas from G3, I3 into G4, I8 to calculate the funds raised by the runners category B to D. We have done that. Now add a formula in J3 to calculate the total funds raised by the runners in each category. Alright, so funds raised by category equals the sum of funds raised in category A to D. So you want to calculate the funds raised by runners, alright, in set 1. So this equals to sum. Alright, add this across, close bracket. Alright, and then we can just fill it down. So the set 1 students in total raised $2,225. Sec 2 raised $3,335. Sec 3 $3,875. Sec 4 $4,385. Sec 5 $2,025, and the staff, alright, $1,400. Next, okay, copy and paste this formula in J4, J8, right, to calculate the funds raised by the runners. Alright, we have done that. Add a formula in F13 to calculate the total funds raised. Right, under F13, alright, we can add a formula to find the total funds raised in category A. Alright, so let's go back again. Add a formula in F13 to calculate the total funds raised. Okay, F13 is not here. Let's backtrack to F13. Alright, instead of F13, it should be J13. Alright, there's a mistake in the instruction. Alright, add a formula in J13 to calculate total funds raised. So this equals to sum. Alright, we just have to add up all this. Close bracket. Alright, total funds raised will be this. Okay, by doing that, we have done all the computation necessary. Next, we'll proceed to insert a pie chart to show the percentage of runners in each category and place it in the range A14, F30. The chart should look like this, shown below. So as you can see from the chart, it only shows the percentage of runners in each category, and the legend shows the timing. Right, so what we need to do, go to the Excel spreadsheet. We want the runners in each category, so we'll select this. Click to insert, click on the 2D pie chart, Alright, and we need to place it in the region A14 F30. So this will be somewhere below A14 F30. Right, let me resize this. Okay, now once you have done that, you would notice that your pie chart does not really look like the one shown in your textbook, because as you can see, the legend shows the timing, but your pie chart shows 1, 2, 3, 4. So in order to change this, what you can do is right click, select data, and over here you can see that the add date, it shows 1, 2, 3, 4. Click on this and select the time range. Alright, and press enter. Click OK. Alright, and when you have done that, you should notice that the timings have been changed. Alright, and you just need to click on the chart. Alright, under the legend, alright, select such as shown to the right. Chart title, percentage of runners in each category. So you will select this, alright, and change the title. Percentage of runners in each category. Alright, now of course, to show the percentage, right, what you need to do is, okay, under the chart element, data labels, alright, click on more data label options, okay, and bring the percentage value, okay, or rather adjust it such that the labels is shown on the outside. Okay, so make sure that the data labels, they are all shown on the outside end, and of course you want the data labels to show percentage. So you click on data label options, alright, you will have to serial on data labels. Alright, under the label options, okay, you can see that I selected this. Alright, I do not want to show the value, rather I want the percentage to be shown. Okay, so looking at the textbook pie chart again, alright, it should show the same. Next, we'll need to insert a column chart to show the funds raised by runners in each category, in each level, and place it in a new worksheet. Now the chart should look like the one shown below. Alright, you can see that it shows the funds raised by the students in Sec 1, Sec 2, Sec 3, Sec 4, Sec 5, and the staff. And blue means, alright, funds raised in Cat A, red is Cat B, green is Cat C, purple is Cat D. Alright, so in order to do this, alright, go to the Excel spreadsheet. We need to select this, press the Control key, select this, alright, and go to Insert, alright, column chart. Alright, let me repeat this again. Select this. Why do we select this? You can see that over here you have Sec 1 to Sec 5 and a staff. Alright, press the Control key, select this. Alright, go to Insert 2D column chart, right click. Alright, you want to move the chart to show as a new worksheet. Alright, you should take up an entire worksheet. Okay, next we need to change the title, breakdown of funds raised. So double click here. Alright, we're going to put in breakdown of funds raised. Right, next we're going to add in the vertical axis. So click on the chart. Alright, add chart element, axis title, primary, vertical, funds raised. Alright, add in the vertical axis, horizontal axis. Okay, this will be runners. Alright, double click here to show runners, and after which I just need to move my legend to the right. Right, so there you have it. Alright, we have created this breakdown of funds raised. Okay, one last thing. Alright, this is something that I leave it to you to explore. How do you reduce the gap between the column charts? Alright, try to figure it out yourself. Thank you for watching my video.